Do you ever know that animal-based meat or those normal meat we eat is alternative? Well, today we're going to talk about lab-grown meat, a meat that might replace those normal meat we eat in the future and become the new food revolution. Lab-grown meat is a meat that uses animal stem cells from the animal's muscle tissue. It was first invented in 1998 when John Vance secured a patent for the production of lab-grown meat tissue for human consumption. During 2002, the first edible lab-grown meat sample was being produced. It is a fish fillet made from lab-grown goldfish cells. After 11 years in 2013, the first lab-grown beef burger patty was produced by Dr. Mark Post. It is made from over 20,000 thin strands of muscle tissue, uses $300,000 and over 2 years to produce. So why do people use that much energy, time, and money to produce lab-grown meat? Well, here are some reasons. First, as the world's population continues to grow, farming enough animals is hard and disrupting the world. Using lab-grown meat could be one option to feed more people with animal protein without consuming too many resources. And now, only about 5% of Americans are vegetarian, so there's a big demand for meat. And lab-grown meat provides a solution to the meat scarcity problem. Second, problem with farming animals. People found out that farming animals are being treated badly and cruelty. Lab-grown meat could help animals to flee and reduce this situation. Third, greenhouse gas emissions. Around a quarter of the greenhouse gas emissions that are driving up temperatures are estimated to have come from agriculture, and lab-grown meat could reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Since an impact on the climate, scientists have in recent years developed meat that can be grown from animal cells in factories or laboratories. Researchers found out that more than 70 million land animals are killed globally every year to supply the food system. And in December 2020, lab-grown chicken meat has been sold in restaurant 8080 at Singapore as part of the Simple Dishes. This is the first restaurant that had been approved to sell lab-grown meat. People with good financial conditions could try it for $23. As lab-grown meat was invented, the use of meat or animals is already decreasing. Even now, animals have much more chance to survive when they have a smaller chance to get harmed or treated unethically. In order to let the public recognize and know lab-grown meat quickly, people had concluded viewpoint of how it might affect the future positively and negatively. People concluded that lab-grown meat might be more friendly to the environment since it eliminates the need for animals. The elimination could reduce the use of water for about 82%, the use of energy for about 45%, and the use of land by 99%. Moreover, lab-grown meat might also make the energy usage likely increase because producing lab-grown meat might have massive facilities that would require electricity for 24 hours. Because people didn't produce a large number of lab-grown meat yet, so this is an uncertain factor. We don't know if the energy usage will increase or decrease. Furthermore, lab-grown meat could also help people to be safer. People figure out that lab-grown meat is produced in a sterile environment, so only little bacteria will stay in the meat when we are producing it. However, it is still an unknown factor of how healthy it is and how the nutritional content compares to animal-based meat. As technology keeps getting improved and developed, the cost price of making lab-grown meat continues to decrease. In March 2016, one of the largest companies focusing on lab-grown meat, Memphis Meats, released the first lab-grown meat bowl with a cost price of USD 18,000 per pound. And in 2017, the same company rolled out samples of clean chicken nuggets with a cost price of USD 6,000 per pound. As you see, scientists and companies are trying very hard to produce and improve lab-grown meat, but the cost price is still too expensive, and people still do not accept them. Throughout the research, people found out that 43% of people will prefer or rather eat animal-based meat than lab-grown meat, even they have the same price. One of the main reasons is because they perceive lab-grown meat as unnatural. Companies and scientists are also trying to lower the cost price of producing lab-grown meat. They have a goal that to make the cost price reduce to $10 to $12 by the end of 2021 and make it become common soon.